Good morning. Today is Tuesday, December the 1st. What I need for you to do right now is make sure that you have a computer out and that you are actively logging in to your Gmail account and then into Schoology. Please make sure when you log in that you are logging into your account and not logging into someone else's account. Make sure that up at the top right hand corner you are seeing your initials in everything that you do. If you do not see your initials, then you need to log out of the other person and make sure that you are logging in to your account. Okay, so I want you to log in to Schoology. Once you get logged into Schoology, I want you to click on your English course, whatever period that might be. And I want you to click on Second 9 Weeks, Module 6, November the 30th through December 22nd. Now you're going to see that all that is here is still Module 6 schedule and Monday, November the 30th. That is because we are doing a continuation from yesterday. The first thing I want you to do every single day that you log in is to check your schedule. So go ahead and click on Schedule. You're going to click on Module 6, Second 9 Weeks, Course Schedule, and you can just click View. You're going to scroll down to Tuesday, 12/1, and today we are doing DGP Week 6, Tuesday. Underline the subject, predicate, identify transitive or intransitive verb. The sentence is, your friends left their skateboards at my house. Then we are going to do wordly wise. Well, we're not going to do wordly wise lesson 6A right now because some of us still need to finish our quad cards. So we're going to omit number 4 for now. We're going to do finish setting tour guide for module 5, type into Schoology, and we're going to try to edit our discussion board postings depending on the amount of time we have. Okay, so I want to exit out of the schedule. I want to go back and click on Second 9 Weeks, Module 6. I want to go back to Monday, November the 30th, and I want to click on DGP Week 6. Open assignment with Cami. Now, if you pull yours up and your answers from yesterday do not show up on this copy, do not freak out. Okay, what I want you to do is I want you to go up here to this folder that says Open File and click on it. You are going to see a list of things that you have recently worked on under the title Recent Files. Click on DGP Week 6. When you do that, it should have your name, or it should have your name up at the top on this bar, and then your answers from yesterday should be here as well. Now, today is Tuesday, and today we are going to underline the subject once, the predicate twice, and we're going to identify your prepositional phrase if there is one, and obviously there is because we had a preposition on Monday, which is at, and we have to determine if our verb is transitive or intransitive. So the first thing that I want you to do is let's read the sentence and determine what our subject is, okay? Your friends left their skateboards at my house. All right, who is this sentence talking about? Your friends. All right, so I want to go up here to the markup button, and I want to click underline. and I'm going to draw over that, and it puts one line under there. Now, go ahead and click on the T for text box. What is the simple subject out of your friends? Who is the sentence about? Friends. What do you write above friends? A little S for subject. All right, now we want to underline the complete predicate twice. The predicate of the sentence is dealing with your verb and what your subject is doing. So I want to go back up here to markup. I want to click underline. All right, and what did your friends do? They left their skateboards at my house. So we're going to underline this twice. Now, in order to get that second line underneath there, I want you to go to the shape button. It has a circle and a square. Click on that. And I want you to go down to where it says insert line. Click, and it's going to give you this little plus sign. You click your mouse, and all you have to do while holding that down, you drag your finger across until you get your line straight. And when you get it to where it needs to go, you release your finger. Okay? All right. Now, we're going to look for any prepositional phrase that we might have in this sentence. So go ahead and go back to your text box. I'm going to increase my size a little bit because I've got to insert some parentheses. All right. My preposition we learned on Monday is at. Okay. So what is my prepositional phrase in this sentence? At my house. All right. What is the first thing I do to a prepositional phrase? Put it in parentheses. Okay, so I'm just going to move my text box up there. I'm going to go up to my number 9 and hit shift, and it's going to give me parentheses. Now I've got to close my parentheses, so I'm going to insert another one, and I'm going to hit shift and the 0, and there we go. Now we have to identify the object of the preposition. The object of the preposition will always be what part of speech? Noun or pronoun? What is the object of the preposition in at my house? House. So I'm going to write OP for object of the preposition. Now, your friends left their skateboards at my house. Does at my house describe the skateboard, or does at my house tell when or where the skateboards were left? It tells where the skateboards were left. Therefore, this is an adverbial prepositional phrase. So I'm going to go ahead and put my text box in, type in ADV, prep, phrase. All right. Now, I've told you that you cannot find a direct object in the PP, in the prepositional phrase. All right, we have already located our prepositional phrase. So at this point, we just need to look at our verb and ask who or what after it. And if we can answer who or what, and it doesn't have anything to do with the prepositional phrase, then more than likely we'll have a direct object. Okay, so your friends left who or left what? Left what? Skateboards. All right, we can answer what after the verb. Therefore, skateboards is our direct object. The abbreviation for direct object is DO. Being we have a direct object, is our verb transitive or intransitive? Intransitive. What is the abbreviation for an intransitive verb? I'm sorry, it is not intransitive. It is transitive. What is the abbreviation for a transitive verb? VT. All right. Now, this is all you have to do on...
Teachers, don't forget that First Priority has the Danishes, tea, and coffee in the library.
VT is your abbreviation for a transitive verb. Now, a direct object and an object of the preposition will always be what part of speech? DO and OP will always be a noun or a pronoun. Okay? I want to make sure that you remember that your subject will always be a noun or a pronoun. Okay? All right, and then it should save automatically, but in case it does not, you can click Save Now, and it should save to your Google Drive. Okay, when you finish that, you can exit out of DGP, and I want you to go back to Monday, November the 30th, and I want you to go to Wordly Wise Lesson 6 Quad Cards, open with Cami. Now, if your work from yesterday does not show up here, then all you need to do is go right back up here to your open file, and then you are going to click on where you started working on it yesterday. So here is mine, Wordly Wise Lesson 6 Quad Cards. All right, it may not be that one, so let's go to another one.